Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.73. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, showing a gain of 2.02%. This results in an average return of 0.4% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an advantageous selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a movement back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, currently at $234.20, would initially suggest a stronger upward momentum. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 2% to an increase of nearly 6%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it implies a change of about 27.65% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 5.49% and 36.91%. This equates to a price range between $244.91 to $317.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for Apple stock after gaining 160 thousandths of a percent." The Apple stock price increased 160 thousandths of a percent on the last trading day Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024. The price rose from $231.78 to $232.15. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.44%, with a low of $230.53 and a high of $233.85. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 2.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 394,000 shares, with a total of 32 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7,490 million. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence, which may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 2.25% or $5.34 below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. has been in the spotlight today as analysts predict both opportunities and challenges for the tech giant. The announcement regarding the likely cancellation of a $25 billion search deal with Google could significantly impact Apple's revenue model in the short term. If the Department of Justice's ruling holds, this loss of income from one of its largest partnerships raises questions about future revenue streams and could pressure Apple's stock price downward. On a more positive note, Apple's services segment, which has grown to 28.23% of total sales in the third quarter, is becoming a pivotal driver amid potential iPhone weakness. The installed user base now stands at 1,560,000,000, reflecting healthy growth that bodes well for ongoing services revenue, which may help cushion any dips in hardware sales and support long-term stock stability. Despite concerns ahead of the fourth quarter earnings report, which could reveal slowing iPhone demand, there's cautious optimism as Apple continues to innovate. The recent uptick in semiconductor production linked to its 3-nanometer chip technology indicates continued investment in enhanced performance, which could fuel longer-term growth. Overall, while immediate challenges exist due to external pressures and potential earnings disappointments, Apple's robust service sector and ongoing innovation strategies could offer resilience, suggesting a mixed outlook for the stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that JP Morgan also gave Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI rated Apple Inc. as outperform, with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a neutral rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies rated Apple Inc. with a hold and issued a downgrade. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also falls under strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, and so far, it has declined by approximately 0.727%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, Apple stock also shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Moreover, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected around the levels of 230.74 and 225.77. A drop below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last session, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, this stock should be monitored closely. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, the stock displayed a golden star signal on the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific and rare combination. This phenomenon is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 117 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 105 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.32 between its high and low, representing 1.44%. During the past week, the stock had an average daily volatility of 1.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November 2024. Analysts are estimating earnings of $1.60 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $233. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple, based on multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of October, 2024, Maestri Luca conducted an insider sale of 59,305 shares of common stock. On the 1st of October, 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted an insider purchase of 127,282 shares of common stock. On the 1st of October, 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. also conducted an insider sale of 67,552 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of October, 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted another insider sale, this time of 51,674 shares of common stock. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted yet another insider sale of 8,056 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.208. In summary, insiders purchased 2,069,175 shares and sold 3,589,178 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $223.70, indicating a decrease of 3.64%. This stock experiences low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that emerged 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of October, we anticipate Apple to open up around 2.67 cents and begin trading at $232.18. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.